Wow, this hair is so pretty. Like, I can't stop saying that. What's up, my Slay with Dre babies? It's your girl Slay with Dre, and as you can see, I'm back at it again. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. Y'all, I've been gone for another while. I don't know why I keep doing this to y'all. Like, the last video I posted, it was months ago, and I have not posted since. Like, I guess because I've been focusing on other things, and I kind of been forgetting about my channel, forgetting about my Slay with Dre babies, and I am so sorry, you guys. But y'all, I'm back. It's 2021. I'm revamping my channel. As you can see, I pretty much deleted everything that I had on my channel because it was cringy. You know what I'm saying? Like, it was too cringy to the point I didn't even want to keep my videos up because I'm more comfortable with the camera now. I've been doing a way more recording on me and my boyfriend's channel. We have our own channel, so I've been doing way more like recording, and I've been getting comfortable with the editing, and I just know a little bit more than what I did when I first started off, and I was a hot mess. I ain't have the same equipment that I have now, you know what I'm saying? So it's just gonna be up from here. It's gonna be better quality, just better videos, better content for you guys. Yeah, so like I said, it's up from here, and you know what I'm saying? You just gotta stay tuned for just what I have in store, what I have going on for this channel. It's gonna be a lot of just a lot of, you know, a lot of great content. So I hope you guys stick around for that. So as you can see by the title, I will be reviewing some hair that got sent to me. Thank you, Jaja Hair, for sending me this hair. They sent me some curly hair. I don't have the head, I don't have the wig on my head right now. This is from another company. It was not sent to me. But this hair from Jaja Hair, I want y'all to see. Focus. This is from Jaja Hair, and it's sponsored. Okay, I'm gonna let you guys know this now. This is my first sponsored video. I just want to say thank you, Jaja Hair, for reaching out to me. So this is gonna be a unboxing video. Plus, I'm gonna put it on for y'all. I'm not really great with putting on wigs on camera, but we're gonna see how it turns out for this video. Hopefully, it turns out okay. So let's go ahead and unbox this. This is pretty. The packaging is pretty, real pretty. Yeah, so I don't know if they're on AliExpress. I really didn't do too much research about them. I just know that they are a Amazon company. But a lot of hair companies got an Amazon, or if they don't have Amazon, they got an AliExpress or their own website. But I don't know. I didn't really do research, like I said, but it's nothing to find out. They send you a wig cap. A lot of hair companies send you a wig cap, and they sent me a kinky curly, and it's an 18-inch. So okay, it don't have no smell. Okay, it just smells like weave. I love the smell of weave. Oh, by the way, this is their 4x4 kinky curly and an 18-inch. I had the option of getting a headband, wigs, and stuff like that, but I didn't want to give it a try just yet because, I don't know, I just feel like, I don't know, I didn't want to give it a try. They gave me the option of doing a headband wig or, you know, doing a 4x4, and I told them I wanted the 4x4. I will be bleaching this, like, I will customize it, and I will bleach it, and then when I come back to y'all and show y'all how the hair looks when I wet it and put it on, you know, then that's when y'all gonna see how good the hair looks pretty much after I customize it. But this is some nice hair. It feels really soft, like my fingers are running. I mean, it's curly hair, like it's gonna be a little, you know, for the most part, for it to be curly hair, my fingers are running through this very, very well. One tangle right there, but it's curly hair. What do you expect? But this hair looks so nice, and it's kinky curly. I don't think I ever did kinky curly. I always just do curly, but this is kinky curly. I don't know if curly and kinky curly is like a big difference, but I never had kinky curly, so And of course, because it's an Amazon company, the hair was shipped to me very fast in 2 days. If you are a Prime member, you could get your hair quick. But y'all, this is the hair. Of course, when I wet it, it's gonna be a little bit more like longer than this. It's because it's dry. So yeah, make sure y'all stay tuned for the next clip, because I will be putting it on for you guys, and we're just gonna see how that goes from there. What I'm about to do baby hairs. It's not all the way in the middle, but you know, we're gonna try to get it to be in the middle. If not, you know, I think it's good like this. It ain't all the way in the middle, but it's fine. So I'm just gonna plug my part, make it a little bit more wider. And y'all, I'm not really laying my wig down properly as I should. I didn't even wrap my edges to have the lace out. I'm just kind of being lazy. Today is a lazy day, I'm not gonna lie. But, you know, it's still gonna come out nice. I already know it's still gonna come out nice. Dramatic beats. Putting some mousse in it. It ain't no curl mousse, but it's a foam style foam. That's all I have to put in this. I see the difference between wet versus dry. So all I'm doing is wetting my brush. I'm making a mess too, but I'm wetting my brush and combing out the curls. Letting the hair coming out the curls. I don't know if I should go in with a hot comb to like flatten the top. I might, I might not. This is curly hair, so it's probably not needed for real. But I might, I don't know. I'm gonna go in with a hot comb and just get the top of my hair to flatten down just a little bit. But this is cute. I never did a short curly hair like this, and this is cute. I like how it looks. It's giving me like natural hair vibes. These curls are so bomb. Get into the curls. Yes. This hair is giving me Mamiana vibes. Like, real mommy vibes, but I like it. I like it on y'all. Like, this is something different. I'm probably gonna color it so y'all could see how well it take color. I don't know if I should just get some styling spray. I mean, that's some spritz and just like try to brush it down instead of doing a hot comb because the hair is wet. Hold on. I hate my hair again. I'm like, man, what fucking this? I don't think I really need the concealer. this hair is mad pretty, and it came out prettier than what I expected it to come out. Like, this is really cute. This is really cute. Oh my gosh. Y'all, the part is nice and clean. I didn't even put concealer in it yet. The lace is good. Like, it took the bleach well. I just didn't put the bleach on there long enough, but it takes bleach really well, y'all. So, trying to get it to look flat at the top. Yeah, I was gonna put concealer on the lace, but I don't even think I need to do all that. And I'm not, because I want to show you guys how easy it is to, like, put it on, do your little baby hairs, wet it, and it looks perfect. Like, you don't have to do way too much. I didn't have to put conditioner to get the curls to pop. The curls are naturally popping. Like, the lace is nice and it's not too dark. Y'all, this hair is so pretty, and I think I'm about to wrap up this video. Make sure you guys like, comment, and join the gang if you haven't already, because what you doing? You need to become a slave with Dre. More content is on the way. I'm out.